Hello, this is Erin, and I am doing a overview of Enhancement 1. And so this week we created a template, and we created different modules. So I did a header and a footer, and we created styling. So I did styling, and then we were to create the home page from the text that was provided. So let's go ahead and run the template. Let's pop it up over here. So here's my template for Enhancement 1, and now let's run. Here's my home page here, and so we have that. Let's make sure it's validated. So I'm going to grab my main CSS. So let's copy that, and this is the CSS, so paste that. So we're good there. So that is the CSS, and then let's grab the home page. So page source, copy, copy, paste that, and check. And I have one warning, and nothing is fatal, so I'll call that good for this week. Thanks.